Okay, this will be a cold start video on the 2010 Rolls-Royce Ghost. It's been sitting overnight and it's about 60 degrees today here in San Diego. It's kind of hard to show on the motor that it is cold, but it is cold, and you'll see it in the temperature gauge. I'll even grab the exhaust back here to show you it's not hot or anything like that. Here. Temperature gauge is cold. Doors open, but once the doors close, that caution light goes off. And then you can see the Apple CarPlay has engaged, but if you want just regular Rolls-Royce menu, you just hold down and you're back in your regular Rolls-Royce menu with all your other features.
But you can adjust it using your vehicle stereo.